I'm not against it, but I do like and value damn authenticity, especially when it comes to bloody writing.
That's a spice in there, Lily. Hey guys, what's up? Wesley here, and today I'm gonna introduce something new to you. At least it's new to me. It is called speech to speech. As far as I know, this is something new in the AI world, especially when it comes to voice. So here you can also see it. It is speech to speech. Just released on 11 Labs. Automatic voice conversion. Now, this is something which really blew my mind. So, if you want to experiment with this, go to 11labs.io. I'll put the link down below in the description. Just sign up for an account if you already haven't, or else you can just sign in. And let me see, I gotta open a few tabs here. Of course, I experimented with it a little bit, and when you log in, you'll see something like this, and of course you can choose a voice. You can add a voice right here, and there are lots of voices. You can also even generate your own voice, but and clone your own voice. But that's not stuff you're gonna do now. We are gonna focus on that voice conversion. So I played around with two voices here. uh, Paddington, British narrator, deep and warm, with a British accent, and a gentle old man. So first, let's just see how here are these sounds.
Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right.
That sounds pretty deep and warm indeed, at least to me. Gentle old man.
Before you put on a frown, make absolutely sure there are no smiles available.
Yeah, sounds quite gentle to me. So the thing is, here you can put some text, and the crazy thing is, um, text to speech, he will just, of course, say what you typed. And 11 Labs really nails it here. It sounds pretty well. But when you select speech to speech, another world opens, because you are allowed to speak into your mic, and then the voice you selected will say it exactly the way you say it, but then with this voice. Perhaps, from a business perspective, or whatever, if you want to stay anonymous, or whatever, if you don't think you have a nice voice but you still want to create something, I think this is a great solution for things like that. So let's just put it to the test, okay? I went here on my Medium account, because I recently wrote an article on voice cloning, and yeah, the YouTube algorithm knows how to pick its stuff, yeah? So I did this on Augie. So let's just select this part and paste it into, yeah, here. Not yet. Listen how this, for example, sounds with text-to-speech. Yeah, I think it sounds pretty well. It will generate. If you create a new account, you will get 10,000 credits. And I think every month this will reset, so you have again 10,000 credits.
A while ago, I came across a tool called Augie on YouTube. It is a platform where you can create content with the help of AI. Those who follow me know my position by now on AI. I am not against it, but I do like and value authenticity, especially when it comes to writing.
Man, that sounds pretty good, eh? Eh? So I'm gonna try to say this exact stuff, but then, of course, differently. And let's just see how it reacts. Speech to speech. Record audio. So let me open another screen. Of course, you won't see that because I have here multiple screens, but then I can read it out loud when I record it. So, okay. Of course, you see here, click to upload a file or drag and drop. The best results are achieved when the audio is clean and free of background noises. So when you have something ready, just put it in there and you're good to go. But we don't have this right now, so I'm gonna just record the audio. Look. A while ago, I came across a tool. Jesus Christ. Okay, we got to do that again. This was no good. Record audio. So, a while ago, I came across a tool called Augie on YouTube. It is a platform where you can create content with the help of AI. Those who follow me know my position by now on AI. I am not against it, but I do like and value authenticity, especially when it comes to bloody writing. So I'm not sure how this will go, but we will see. You can then, if you press this play button, you will hear yourself. A while ago, I came across a tool called Augie on YouTube. It is a platform where you can create content with the help of AI. Those who follow me know my position by now on AI. I am not against it, but I do like and value authenticity, especially when it comes to bloody writing. So, I wonder how our British narrator will will do this. You click on generate, and then let's see what it generates. This is really crazy stuff, man. Lately, AI is.
A while ago, I came across a tool called Augie on YouTube. It is a platform where you can create content with the help of AI. Those who follow me know my position by now on AI. I am not against it, but I do like and value authenticity, especially when it comes to blood writing.
I think 11 Labs nails it here. I think it's really do. Let's choose another voice. Let's choose a gentle old man and just see what happens. In a moment, we're going to also choose a female. Let's see how that sounds. With my male voice, female output. But it really nails it.
A while ago, I came across a tool called Augie on YouTube. It is a platform where you can create content with the help of AI. Those who follow me know my position by now on AI. I am not against it, but I do like and value authenticity, especially when it comes to blood writing.
When it comes to blood writing. Okay, so let's go through a female. Let's go for Glinda. Witch?
In seed time, learn. In harvest, teach. In winter, enjoy.
Let's go for you, Glinda. Let's check it out. Sounds pretty weird. Okay, let's check out how Glinda will say what I just said.
A while ago, I came across a tool called Augie on YouTube. It is a platform where you can create content with the help of AI. Those who follow me know my position by now on AI. I am not against it, but I do like and value authenticity, especially when it comes to blood writing.
Fuck. Oh man, I can play for hours with this. But can you understand now why I just need to introduce this stuff to you? This is just fucking amazing. And I really think if you are perhaps creating a podcast or doing whatever kind of voiceover stuff, I think this is really the solution if you want to make it sound even more human. Because of course, when you choose the text-to-speech option, it is good. In my opinion, it is very good. But you always will miss that human touch. Because when I talk, I think sometimes I speak faster, sometimes I speak slower. I change tone, I change pitch perhaps. But there's always something going on when a human talks. And yeah, using this speech-to-speech option definitely nailed it. Just let's play around one more time and just see something. I also earlier saw a whisper, a whisper voice.
Yesterday's home runs don't win today's games.
Oh fuck, man, that sounds so creepy. No, you're too creepy. Is there also a woman who whispers? Nicole.
If one is lucky, a solitary fantasy can totally transform 1 million realities.
Okay. Okay, let's see how this is. Hey, it's gone. My file is gone. I switched. No problem. No problem. I'm just gonna say it again. Oh, 21 seconds. Is it still? No. We will see what happens. A while ago, I came across a tool called Augie on YouTube. It is a platform where you can my mistake, my bloody mistake, with the help of AI. Those who follow me know my position by now on AI. I'm not against it, but I do like and value damn authenticity, especially when it comes to bloody writing. So, let's see how that sounds in a whisper mode. It also generates quite fast, in my opinion.
A while ago, I came
Hey,
across a tool called Augie on
she
YouTube.
isn't
It
whispering.
is a platform where you can my mistake, my bloody mistake, with the help of AI. Those who follow me know my position by now on AI. I am not against it, but I do like and value damn authenticity, especially when it comes to bloody writing.
Shit. Okay, then let's try Ethan. ASMR. That's so wrong. That's so wrong.
A while ago, I came across a tool called Augie on YouTube. It is a platform where you can my mistake, my
No.
bloody mistake, with the help of AI. Those who
No, that didn't sound good. So, okay, so when the voice says whisper, you also need to whisper yourself. Okay. Santa Claus. How do you sound?
Courage is not the absence of fear, but simply moving on with dignity despite that fear.
Oh yeah. Ah well. You get the point now, right? It's really funny to play around with, and I think also.
The fox has many tricks. The hedgehog has but one, but that is the best of all.
Oh. I want to try. Sorry, guys. I want to try that one. The best of all. I'm a Dutch guy. I don't have any. I'm not speaking with any accent on purpose. I just speak fucking English.
A while ago, I came across a tool called Augie on YouTube. It is a platform where you can my mistake, my bloody mistake, with the help of AI. Those who follow me know my position by now on AI. I'm not against it, but I do like and value damn authenticity, especially when it comes to bloody writing.
That's the spice in there, Lily. Fuck. Okay, guys. See you soon. Yeah, see you in the next one. But go to this website, check it out, play around with yourself, and create something awesome.